How to add Expedia flight to United app. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll discuss how to add Expedia flight to United Airlines app. So if you're having a trouble adding your Expedia flight, don't worry, this video will guide you through the process with the simple steps. So first of all, you have to open the Expedia application and make sure that it's updated to the latest version available. And also make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now book your flight using the Expedia app. After booking, open the United app and sign into your Mileage Plus account, and then go to My Trips section in the United app. Click on Add a Trip button and enter the confirmation number or the record locator from your Expedia booking, and your flight details will now be added to your upcoming trips in the United application. This allows you to easily access your flight information, check in, and receive updates about your trip directly through the United application, even if you booked through Expedia. So this was all about it. This is exactly how you can add the Expedia flight to United application. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.